पंचायती राज जे आमी म्हणटा जे ट्रान्सपोर्ट जे सगळ्या लागता आनी मागीर इंडस्ट्रीज म्हणून हांव सकलसून स्टार्ट करता म्हणजे पंचायती राजसून स्टार्ट करता. हिंगा चित्र जे दाखयता आनी तेंचें कर्तव्य जावन आसा नेगेटीव आहा तें पॉयंट आवट करपाक आनी सारकें चलना आसल्या भशेन दाखयता. हांवें लास्ट अधिवेशनां सुद्दां तेंच सांगिल्लें. पूण पळोवपाक गेल्यार खरें चित्र जें आतां तांकां हांव तेंचे फुडें मांडटलो. खूब आनी खूब काम सगळ्या क्षेत्रांत जाल्लें आसा. तें पंचायतीनी आसूं दी, ट्रान्सपोर्ट आसूं दी आनी इंडस्ट्रीज आसूं दी. आतां आमचे लिडर ऑफ पोजिशन ओपोजिशन जे बाबू युरी आलेमा आसा तेणें म्हणलें गांधीजी सेड रियल इंडिया लायज इन द विलेजीस. आनी तेच भाशेन आमचें गोंय कितलें बरें आहा आनी कितलें बरें आसपाक शकता जाल्यार आमच्यो विलेज्यो सारक्यो आसपाक जाय. आनी केन्ना केन्ना खंयचो सरकार मातशें ओवरस्टेप जावन विलेजीनूय दुसरेच भाशेन जी प्रगती हाडपाक सोदता तेन्ना रिएक्शन जाता. पूण रिएक्शन जाता अनेकूय कारणां लागून. जोरी तरी एक टायमार कांय जायनासलें आतां खूब म्हणजे गोंय फुडें गेला, खूब डेव्हलपमेंट जाला आनी आमकां खबर आसा आमची संख्या तरी 15 ते 18 लाख आसा. हिंगा कितले लोक येता, 1 करोड मायज लोक येता आनी तेन्ना सगळे ऑल्टर जाता. थोडे लोकांक गोंय पसंद येता, घर बांदपाक सोदता आनी कितें सोदता आनी मागीर अनेक प्रॉब्लेमूय क्रिएट जाता. पूण आतां हांव हायलायट करतना गोंय तरी निवड दवरल्यार क्लीन एंड ग्रीन गोवा इफ वी आर एबल टू मेंटेन दॅट नॅचरली गोवा वील मेंटेन इट्स गोल्डन एज ऑर जे भांगराचे गोंय जे आमी म्हणटा ते सदां उरपाक शकता. आनी हे दृश्टीन उलयतना हांव सुरवातेकूच सांगपाक सोदतां थोड्यो पंचायती खूब बरें काम करता. SBM 1, SBM 2 जालो, SBM 3 जालो आनी हांगा तरी ते चित्र दिवपाक खूब जाणांनी प्रयत्न केले. आमचे मान्य लिडर ऑफ पोजिशनान अशें चित्र दिलें मोर दॅन 65% आनी बाकीच्यांनीय बी 65% आमचे फंड रेड्यूस केला आनी आमचे कडेन पयशे ना. कशें आमी फुडें चलतले. तेणी वयल्यान हे सरकाराक कॉम्प्लिमेंट करपा जाय. कमी फंड आसतना सुद्दां जे अर्थान आमचे पंचायत स्ट्रॉंग जाल्ले आसा, आपले ओन पांयार उबे रावपाक ते शिकला आनी शिकत आसा तेणें तांकां कॉम्प्लिमेंट करपा जाय. अंडर स्वच्छ भारत मिशन जे लिंपेज आयला, जे आमी म्हणटा निवडसान आयला आनी जे अर्थान ते काम करता आमी खरें तांकां कॉम्प्लिमेंट करपा जाय. पूण अशें हांव सांगपाक सोदना की सगळेच पंचायत हें करपाक शकता आनी सगळे पंचायत करता. थोडेशे म्हाका उदाहरण मुद्दम दिवपा जाय कित्याक तेंचे उदाहरण दिल्यार बाकीचे लोक खरे अर्थान एम्युलेट करपाक ट्राय करता. म्हणजे ते तिंगा जाता जाल्यार हिंगा कित्याक जायना अशें एक चित्र लोकां फुडें उरता. आनी हे दृश्टीन हांव म्हणपाक सोदतां हांव हायलायट करता थोडे पंचायतीचे बरें काम. हे मुर्मुगांव तालुकासून म्हाज्या तालुकासूनच हांव स्टार्ट करता. नागवा, चिकालीम, बोगमालो हे तिनूय मुर्मुगांव तालुकान अंडर स्वच्छ SBM प्रोग्राम गार्बेज इतले बरे भाशेन निवडसानीन सगळे लिंप धरता की खरें बरें काम हे एक जाता. हरवाले एंड कारापूर सर्वान इन बिचोलीम, नावेली एंड नुवे इन सालसेट, आगोंदा लोले पैंगिणी इन काणकोण, तिवरे ओरगांव एंड शिरोडा इन पोंडा, तुये इन पेरने, शेल्डे एंड आसोल्डा इन केपें, सावंडे इन सांगे हे वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट बरेच भाशेन बरे प्रमाणान ते मॅनेज करता. हांव एकूच प्रश्न म्हाज्या मनान सदां येता इतले हे पंचायत तरी बरे भाशेन हें करपाक शकता, बाकीचे पंचायतीन कित्याक जायना. आनी हे दृश्टीन उलयतना MRFचे हिंगा खूब जाण उलयले आनी MRFचे उलयतना हिंगा म्हाका दिसता MRFचे उलयतना 7 पंचायत सोडून आनी तेय बीन तेंचे वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस म्हणजे ते सुद्दां प्रयत्न करता एक्सेप्ट 2 पंचायत विच डोंट हॅव देअर ओन लँड. परमनंट MRF 109 पंचायत टेम्पररी MRF 75 पंचायत हे टेम्पररी कित्याक म्हणटा थोड्यांकडे जागो मातशे ल्हान आसा खऱ्या अर्थान तेंकडे जागोच ना पूण स्टील दे हॅव मॅनेज्ड सो टोटली 184 पंचायत आफ्टर 191 Socorro Panchayat meanwhile has completed and is now functional. Sant Jure area tied up with another facility at IDC shed. Shandor no land as Aupana. Serauli Salset no land. Chandel Hasapur Perne work in progress. Kolli Tiswadi earlier there was shed. Sarpanch jo ashillo Kolli tene आपलो land दिल्लो. जेन्ना कांय कारणा लागून तेका लोकांनी देंवयलो ओ काढलो थिंगासून तेणे आपले ते NOC विड्रॉ केली सो कोर्लीम इज सफरिंग शिरीडाव पार्ले स्मॉल शेड इज एक्झिस्टिंग हे भाशेन MRFचे काम गार्बेज मॅनेजमेंट जे आमी म्हणटा मेन पंचायतीचे काम एक आसता ते खूब बरे भाशेन तेणी केल्ले आसा आनी हे पळोवपाक गेल्यार हे एक मेसेज दिता हे पंचायत बरे भाशेन काम करता आता पंचायतीचे उलयतना फंड्स डेफिनेटली तेंकडे लेस आसा जेन्ना हांव पंचायत मिनिस्टर जाल्लो हांव याद करता ऑगस्ट हावजा एक स्कीम हांवें इंट्रोड्यूस केली जे एकूच वर्सा आमकां फंड्स दिले स्मॉलर पंचायत जे तवडी गार्बेज आहा 3 लाख आमी दिवपाचे तांकां जे आनी मातशे सुबेज गार्बेज जनरेट जाता 7 लाख दिवपाचे आनी जे बाजार जाता चड गार्बेज जनरेट जाता तिंगा आमी 9 लाख दिवपाचे आमी फक्त एकूच वर्सा ते दिले हांव मान्य मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन डिमांड करपाक सोदता इवन दो SBMच्या अंडर आमी पयशे दिता आमी मिशिनरी दिता सगळ्या पंचायतींनी पूण कितें पळयता मिशिनरी एक एकदां यूज जायना ONM ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनन्स म्हूण आमकां पयशे मेळच ना तरी आसतना खंयचोन तरी फंड्स एडजस्ट करून पंचायत आपले सांबाळटा पूण गरज आसा ही आदली जी ऑलरेडी नोटिफाय केल्ली आसा तिंगा थोडे पयशे आमचे पंचायतीचे हातीन आमी घालपा जाय तेन्नाच हो कार्यक्रम आनी बरे भाशेन चलतलो आनी पंचायत आपले फूल काम करपाक शकतले पंचायतीचे उलयतना खूब उलयले आता GIA फंड्स एक वर्सा घडी आमकडे नासले आनी इतले कमी फंड आसतना इतले काम जाता तेणी वयल्यान एप्रिशिएट करपा जाय कित्याक सेंट्रल फंड्स येता ते एडजस्ट करून आमी दीस मुखार वयले पूण आमचो बजेटरी एलोकेशन तरी लेस जाले जाल्यार हांव मान्य LOP सांगपाक सोदता अंडर सप्लिमेंटरी ग्रांट्स whenever we actually need funds I will take it from the finance department and the finance minister who is the chief minister so तेणे हे अवदान म्हाका दिसना तेणी चड म्हणजे वरी जावपाची गरज आसा म्हूण ते चिंतीत जावपाचे वा बाकीच्यांनी बीन आनी हे उलयतना आमी ऑनलायन सर्विसीस आमचे पंचायतीन मुखार वयल्ले आसा आनी खूब मुखार गेल्ले आसा आमी मुखार व्हरतना around 65 village panchayats data feeding work is in progress थोडे पंचायतीन इतले मायज डेटा आसा की आमी हे मुखार व्हरपाक थोडोसो टायम लागतलो बट वर्क इज इन प्रोग्रेस जेल एंड अस वी आर डुईंग दीस प्रोग्राम टुगेदर आनी म्हाका दिसता थोड्या म्हयन्यांनी most of the panchayat should come on board 8 village panchayats Alorna, Bastora, Bati, Karamboli, Kasne, Amberem, Poroskode, Chikalim, Chikolna, Bogmalo and Warkand, Nagzar are live on the platform. जे सगळे सर्विसेस तेंच्यो लाईव्ह आसा परत माझी म्हणणी ऑनलायन हे पंचायत तरी करपाक शकता बाकीचे पंचायत कित्याक करपाक शकना एका एक इम्पॉर्टंट कारण आसा जे तेणी सांगले स्टाफिंग पॅटर्न आमी परत पळोवपाक जाय हांवें ऑलरेडी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह एप्रुवल आमी दिल्ले आसा एवरी पंचायत ऑल 191 पंचायत very soon on contract basis they will be able to onboard one employee who is an engineer आमी तरी तांकां सांगले डेटा थोडे हुशार आहा पंचायतीन थोडे पंचायतीन कोणूच ना कंपल्सरी सगळे पंचायतीन डेटा फीड करपाक ऑनलायन वचपाक लोकांक सर्विसीस दिवपाक व्हेरी शॉर्टली आमी हे 191 पंचायतींनी हे स्टाफ आमी दितले हे प्रपोजल फायनान्सानूच पेंडींग आसा बाकीच्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी क्लियर केला आनी हे जाले म्हणटच म्हाका दिसता सगळे पंचायती एक एक मनीस आसतलो सो ऑनलायन सर्विसीस आमी मेंटेन करपाक शकतले तेच भाशेन मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदता एज फार एज हांगा खूब पाटी स्वच्छ भारत मिशनाकूय क्रिटिसायज केले, करप्शन आसा हें आसा. हांव सांगपाक सोदता EPIL is the agency which is a agency of the central government, tendering, awarding the work, procuring all the equipment, सगळे EPIL करता. आमचो रोल फकत खंयचे पंचायती जाय ते व्हरून दिवपाचे. सो आमचो रोल हितून कांय आसोच ना. आमचो रोल इतलोच आसता की आमी कोणा खंयचे पंचायती कितें जाय ते मागपाचे. आनी तेन्ना आमचे लक्षान येयलें ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनन्स ते आमकां कांय पयशे दिना. सो आमी आतां रिसंटली जे आमचे पंचायतूय कितें करताले, 15th फायनान्स कमिशन जे फंड्स येताले, ते 15th फायनान्स कमिशनाचे फंड काडटाले बँकान घालताले आनी ते इंट्रस्टाचे ते खूश आसले. तांकां खबर ना तेजे काम करून दिवपा जाय आनी कितें करपा जाय. आमचे जेन्ना नोदरे हाडले आमी थोडे पंचायती आमी कन्विन्स केले, थोडे पंचायत कन्विन्सूच जायना. आतां तेन्ना कंपल्सरी करपाक एक सेल आमी उगडला आमचे पंचायत डायरेक्टरेटान, and it has to be done properly so that we are able to tell them you can take a horse to the water but you can't ask it to drink the water. पूण हिंगा आमकां तेंय करचें पडटा. ताका लागून एक स्पेशल सेल आमचे पंचायतीन आमी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करता so that properly they are able to utilize those particular funds for the purpose आनी तेन्ना आमचें काम जातलें. तेच भाशेन हांगा पंचायत सेक्रेटरीचेंय कोणें उलयलें, स्पेसिफिकली कितें उलयलां तें हांवें हांगा बरोवन घेतलेलें आसा. आय वील रिप्लाय बट आय एम जस्ट रिप्लायींग जनरल. हांव मुद्दाम सांगपाक सोदतां हांगा पॉट्स EDAR electronic detail accident report in there fully implemented in Goa enables digital structured accident reporting and supports evidence based policy interventions across the state. Statewide campaigns conducted in collaboration with traffic police, health, education, PWD, public programs, road safety talks, banner displays, helmet distribution, street plays and drawing competition. National Road Safety Month observed every January, nationally mandated. Goa actively participates with awareness drives, enforcement campaigns and public outreach. Goa State Road Safety Week observed in October as Goa's own additional state-specific initiative. KTCL drivers are provided with special training and periodic eye checkup camps, which we do. Only one scheme which nobody comes forward, Ra Veer scheme, Good Samaritan scheme, not a single person ever comes forward. This is just for your information. Then out of 13.30 crores, what we have collected as fines, road safety infrastructure, what we have spent 0.65 crore, road safety equipment 0.69 crores, awareness programs, campaigns, training, helmet distribution, other thing 2.17 crore, enforcement vehicles, fleet of 57 vehicles, 10 cranes, 35 motorcycles, which we have given out of this fund, which is 9.78 crore. 78 crores enforcement vehicles, which I told just now. Road safety utilization, enforcement vehicle, I just repeated, I'll be repeating the same thing again. Total 13.30 crore, what was collected is entirely used for road safety. Victim compensation scheme, Goa State compensation to road victim, accident victim. Though this scheme was notified earlier, before I came, not a single person got a benefit of this. And it was only 1 lakh. I made it 2 lakhs. And I want to mention here, as of up till February 2026, amount of 1.72 crores to 75 beneficiaries is given. The moment you have accident, immediately we clear the amount. In fact, I have instructed my ADTs from in their respective area, when accident takes place, it is their duty to go and simplify and tell the people after the mourning period is over, after 10 days, go and get the documentation done. And they have done it in several places. That's how they get the money fast. Of course, core platform modernization also is there. Vahan 4.0, Sarthi 4.0, all core services, vehicle registration, permits, driving licenses are fully online under Vahan 4.0 and Sarthi 4.0 platform. Citizens can submit applications, make payments and download RCs and DLs without visiting RTO. Cashless transaction, POS devices and QR codes. installed at all RTO counters, online payment gateways support digital payments from home, decentralized service delivery, end-to-end online services for learner licenses, vehicle registration, driving licenses, and permits accessible via home computers, authorized dealers or citizen service center, enforcement and monitoring, MPOS devices used by enforcement personnel for issuing e-challenge on the spot, command and control center monitors all VLTD-enabled vehicles in real time. Aadhaar-enabled authentication under the minister's tenure, all 49 transport-related services have been made Aadhaar-enabled, achieving 100% saturation. This ensures security, identity authentication, and eliminates impersonation across RTOs. Ata, ek very important which the honorable members have to know and the House has to know. Command center आमचं ready जावना म्हणून एक आरोप केलो जालो. Control and command center, electronic enforcement and command center. Only huge video wall can be monitored on a laptop or computer, integrated with police emergency response system. So it's not that which we are going to build now. We are shifting to the new premise. We will try to do it as soon as possible. But it is not necessary that it does not mean आता VLTD device गायले कशे monitor करतले. Computeraचेर monitor करपा मेळटा. एक लॅपटॉपाचेर मॉनिटर करपा मेळटा माझ्या डिपार्टमेंटान ते करता हे मुद्दाम सांगता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एन्फोर्समेंट वाया इमेज Panaji Smart City project is active at 10 locations in Panjiman, Porvorim, detecting overspeeding, red light jumping and uninsured vehicles and issuing channels to violators. GOVA, Goa checkpost. Goa vehicle authentication system is operational at checkpost challenge currently issued at 2 of 4 locations, Mole and Pole. AI-based traffic cameras, deployment of AI-based power cameras for traffic violation detection and signal management across 92 locations, expandable up to 500 locations based on operational requirement. Challan payment via BBPS UPI, integration of the enforcement challan system with Bharat bill payment system enabling citizens to pay challans via Google Pay, Phone Pay and other UPI platform. Shifting of head office and command control sector. The head office of the will shortly be shifted to new premises at Housing Board Porvorim. The premises will also accommodate a dedicated command and control center with provision for round-the-clock monitoring and tracking of public services. In fact, what will happen is, ekda camera aile, at even 191 location, half of it comes, you will see how accidents will be reduced. People will stop speeding. Tenga कट्टले एअर रस्त्यार इतले स्पीड गेल्या डेफिनेटली आमकां चॅलन येतले म्हणून आतां हांवें पळयला दोनापोल रोड 2 कडेन कितें कॅमेरा आहा लोक कशे स्लो डावन जाता हांवें पळयले आहा इवन हाय एंड कार्स rich people have learned now. First they used to go at full speed and I am also going to make it later on after little time. If you are caught over speeding 5 times continuously, you will lose your license also. So nobody will dare to. Automatic speed control zali accident इतले जावपाना. Goa will be a safer place than what you can imagine.
सायनेजीस घालपाक लागून तुम्ही एक इस्टिमेट केल्लो ओवरऑल ऑल ओव्हर गोवा
सायनेजीस घालपाक
सायनेजीस घालपाक तो अजून पर्यंत इम्प्लिमेंट जावना लास्ट 3 इयर्स हांव फॉलोअप करता कित्याक म्हाजे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन हांवें फॉलोअप करतालो तेन्ना ते म्हणपाक लागले ऑल ओव्हर गोवा घालतले 2 CR जाल्लो
हे काम PWD
तुम्ही तांकां डायरेक्शन
घेतलेले आसा आणि त्यांना जेन्ना ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट मुखार घायले प्रपोजल PWDन सांगले आपण करता तेन्ना हांवें सांगलें करा म्हणून
ट्रान्सपोर्टाकूय लागता बिकॉज ऑफ तुमचे कडेन फंड आसा रोड सेफ्टी फंड आसा तुमचे कडेन ऑल PWD कडे जायना तुम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट करून घ्या
इम्प्लिमेंट PWD
लास्ट 3 इयर्स इट इज बीन पेंडिंग
2 वस्तू PWD करता एक म्हणल्यार कॅमेरा बसोवपाचे तेन्ना ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतना ताणें आपल्या हातीन घेतलेले एंड आय सेड इट इज बेटर बिकॉज दुसरे डिपार्टमेंट येता आनी तो आसतना वर्क ऑर्डरूय दिली आनी ही दिली खंयची सायनेजीस सो येतल्यो भिनाका
केन्ना जातले
येता
जाले आतां खबर नाल्यार आमकां करचें पडटा
येता रे बेगीन येता रे कित्याक शीत काडची registered vehicle scrapping facility 279 government vehicles are already scrapped 725 private vehicles are already scrapped as of date. Therefore, totally 1,004 total vehicles are already scrapped. Okay. So this is as far as scrapping old vehicles are concerned. दुसरें जे हांव याद करता, विंटेज आणि क्लासिक कार जे आसा तेन्ना मागणी आसली ती सेंट्रल नितीन गडकरी कडेन ते कॉन्फरन्सी वचोन हांवें तेजे कडेन म्हणजे मागून घेतले आनी तेन्ना आमकां गोंयानूय बरें पडलें. टुडे यू गेट अ सेपरेट नंबर एज अ विंटेज कार. It's not that all old cars which you want to maintain as a vintage car or a classic car is being scrapped. Even this particular thing has been done by me and during my tenure, Mutam Sangta. So that's how we used to every year have that classic and vintage car rally. ह्या वर्सा आमकां करपा मेळ्ळो ना कित्याक मोदें जिल्हा कोड आसलो जिल्हा इलेक्शना लागून. नाजाल्यार I used to have it on 19 December. Yeah, rally I used to have. Tax concession on new vehicle registration after scrapping. Transport vehicle, 15% of tax or 75,000, whichever is lower. Private non-transport vehicle, 25% of tax or 75,000, whichever is lower. BS1 norms vehicle, 50% of tax or 75,000, whichever is lower. BS2 norms, medium, heavy goods and passenger, 50% of tax or 75%, whichever is lower. Then about developing bus terminal redeployment and public transport system. Redeployment, operation, maintenance and transfer on PPP mode. Total project is 251 crore. Fully funded by private partner, selection of concessionaire in advanced stage. This is as far as Margao is concerned. Redevelopment on PPP mode, total project cost, Margao is 251 crore. Yeah. We'll show you, Ray.
I'm telling you, I'm on the record. What has happened in Vasco, we will not repeat in Fatherda.
You
It
see
will
it
go
in-
in Fatherda.
I'm going to call you
No,
for.
आम्ही ते कशे सारखे स्कॅम ते गेले खेपे दाखयलेले. ते पडते तुम्ही फायनल स्टेज म्हणून आमकां सांगता का? आम्ही फाल्यांच बंद करतले ते. फाल्यांच्यान स्टार्ट करता सॅटरडे एजिटेशन. क्लियर कट तकलेन दवरा. तशी ओगीच तुम्ही लास्ट इलेक्शन फंड तयार करपाची स्ट्रॅटेजी हाडनाका जाता. आम्ही ओगी रावन आयकता म्हणा 10:30 जाले म्हणून. वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर. ही पयली तुम्ही MLA कुच जर दाखयना हांव नको दिगंबर कामती कितले खबर आहा हाजेर. पूण पयलीं जर आमकां खबर ना जाल्यार आमी कांयच चालू करचे ना. हे तकलेन धरा क्लियर. तुझे बजेट केले त्याच लायत. सारखे क्लियर हांव सांगता हाजेर.
मातशे
अरे ते दिस इज अ
ऐक
बिग
रे.
थिंग. लँड 300
बाबा,
FSI
हांव एकूच
केला.
तुका सांगता.
तुम्ही ओगीच काढून
You
ते
are-
250 करोड
विजय,
किती ते बेस्ड ऑन
Vijay,
व्हॉट?
you may be the most important person in
No,
opposition
there's no
side.
question of importance. It's
Listen
my
to me.
constituency.
Maintain some decency, please.
No.
हे अशे तू दादागिरी टाइप उलयना.
No, दादागिरी न्ही.
स्वप्ना,
ही दादागिरीच कित्याक?
हे
This
this
is the
August
second
1000
time.
ते स्वप्ना.
Speaker sir,
इतलं
second
सांगता
time this
तुका.
is being repeated.
कित्याक कोण सांगता हे भाशेन? मागीर आमचे उलयले आमी बेश्ट जाता.
No, ते कितेंय जावं. आमी
अरे,
क्लियर आहा.
I told you
Last
last time
time
and
an
I'm
assurance
telling you
was
again,
given
I'll
that
take
you
you
have to
into
choose.
confidence.
आमकां खंय दाखयलें तुम्ही?
दाखयता मरे.
मागीर अरे सेशन जावन आनी एक सेशन आयलें. अजून तेच उलयतात.
फुडल्या विका दाखयता.
फुडले विका आनी पुढून डोंट से दॅट इट इज इन फायनल स्टेज. नो स्टेज
If
बिफोर
you
वी
want
सी.
changes, we'll make the changes. Don't worry.
No, we have.
You
We
are
are
there.
not just giving
Honorable
any
Minister is
real
there
estate
in
thing
our
on a
cabinet.
platter.
Don't worry.
I would
Honorable
CMA
Digambar Kamath is there, who is a minister in our cabinet. So nobody will force anything. KTC bus stand Bicholi under construction at a cost of 21 crore. Physical progress at approximately 83%. So मी गेलो दिसता. Public transport scheme Maji bus yojana, fuel subsidy, all this. Huh? Yeah. 9.5 crores. Then of course you know counter has been opened Manohar International Airport, Blue Cab, Shiv Warrior taxi service with 50% of lease rent borne by government for both the taxi operators. ते तुम्ही मोठा टॅक्सीवाला हेल्प करणार पळय 50% rent borne by government for them. Regulatory reforms and ease of doing, automated testing stations, automatic testing station policy of Goa established to automate vehicle fitness tests, replacing manual checks at RTO offices, preliminary registration certificate issued for 3 centers for establishment of ATS, VLTD and digital fare meter. The government has shifted to an open market approach, cancelling restrictive vendor empanelment to empower owners and drivers to procure device at the lowest competitive price. हे सद्दां एलिगेशन येताले आमी तिगूच जाणां एम्पॅनल केलो माझ्या टायमा करूना when I inherited it that baby. Okay, I cancelled it and I made it open, whether it is for VLTD or even the meter that time. आता मिटराची आमचे सोल्युशन जाल्यार गरज आसपाना आणि वयल्यान no taxes also. That also Honorable CM has told them in last meeting. Only you all have to support the proposal of a uniform fare, whether it is north or south, point to point. They should know the share. It should come on your phone. Good for the tourists, good for the driver or the owner of the vehicle, and good for the government also. App-based aggregator fare provision. Digital-based aggregator fare provision. Rule 140 of the Goa Motor Vehicle Rule amended via notification if a motor cab uses under the digital platform will show the fare. A physical printer is not mandatory. It will come on your phone. Goa digital taxi policy, we have to decide, so no need of this. PUC authorization set the ease of doing business. Increase from 1 year to 3 years validity period for renewal of letter of authority. I have done this. Cap on late fees for fitness certificate. Via notification number 12/11/25, additional fee for delay after expiry of certificate of fitness for all commercial has been kept at 1,000 only up to May 31st, 26. Retention of old registration mark on new vehicle. Rule 310 of Goa Motor Vehicle Rules 1991 amended by notification dated 27/10/2025 to permit retention of old registration marks when acquiring a new vehicle, open for public comment. So you can comment on this. This I have introduced because many people are sentimental with their number. They want to retain the same old number. A new vehicle घेता तेन्ना तोच number तांकां जाय. So ते एक सुविधा कशी लोकांक दिल्ली आसा. I think I have covered most of the things. I don't know. And what remains? Yeah.
Clarification. Now, Rudolph,
Huh?
first thing I spoke about speed governors. Honorable Speaker, I spoke about speed governors. Last year in 2024, 27 February, Transport Department mandated speed governors on rent-a-cars. I'm not bothered about other vehicles. You all said for rent-a-car, because my concern is rent-a-car vehicles are making accidents. That's the reason why. I'm not bothered about taxis and other things, but rent-a-cars. So you all have already asked them to put. So just make sure that what they're doing is they're putting, but they're disconnecting it. That you have to do enforcement.
You see, now there will be a double check. One is the speed governor. Once the cameras come, will come to know automatically.
Right.
And they will themselves not want to speed. I have seen what happens on Donapol
I
Road.
know,
No?
I've seen
I have stopped there myself and seen the fun. Understood, no?
Yeah.
Ata konus fast was nothing else. So same thing will happen on all the roads. Don't worry.
Second is about EV buses. I mentioned of it. I'm not against EV buses. What I'm saying is, if you have a list of which, I have got the list showing so many EV buses are not functioning, what is the alternative? Because there's no spare EV bus. So at least, that's why I said the diesel bus should be, spare should be available. You have spare? Then give us the spare. My Aldona Ambade route, every time only that route is failing. The poor people, they have to go to the end. My request is make one available spare. That is what I'm asking. And vibration.
Okay. Other than a single bus, I'll not keep any spare. I'll utilize them so that they don't unnecessarily remain like that. Okay.
Yes. And other thing was vibration I mentioned. I didn't say all EV buses vibrate. It's a 12-meter bus which is not maintained properly, which keep vibrating. So make sure, because you're paying them. You're paying them for operating and for maintenance. So they have to provide it. Otherwise you can't say that it breaks down and then now we cannot function. Please say this.
All suggestions made here in this August House by honorable members will be seriously taken. Whatever action taken that has to be done will be taken.
We have
Don't
made
worry.
positive suggestions, not
Just
negative
one,
suggestions.
Saint Xavier, the academy. you
Besides,
didn't say.
besides me taking the points, my officers also have taken the points.
No, no,
What
that's
you
it.
people have raised.
You said
the
you
issues
would
raised
speak
by you.
on that. I have asked for that Saint Xavier Academy. Minister, this is from your Vastu in Sangli
Monday,
also.
NOP.
ते माशे anchor Saint Xavier.
कसं आता तुमचं डिस्कशन
अरे हांव उलयन एक उलोवपाक कित्याक दिना स्पीकर सर एक assurance I have not asked for me.
Everybody is talking together. How will I know?
माननीय
Because
आरोपी
sir, सुनील बाब राव रे.
माननीय मंत्र्यांनी सांगलं
हिंगा
न्ही
बॅट
तुमकां
घालपाचें. हिंगा बॅट घाला ना जाल्यार. Saint Xavier Academy in Old Goa. They have repeatedly asked for a bus. This is for person with disabilities.
and they have repeatedly people come from your constituency, Vasco, from Sankhedi. I'm not asking for my constituency. I'm asking whether you will consider that. That is the only thing that you have to say yes.
बस
I will give special attention to this and I'll see that and make it happen. It may not happen immediately, but it will not take a lot of time also. As soon as possible, I will make it operational so that disabled people are definitely to be looked into. I'll make the necessary arrangement. Huh? किती?
For tax of Santa Cruz Panchayat, you had said no, you'll make uniform rates, transfer tax. Yeah, Santa Cruz Panchayat, you had
Okay.
promised me.
He has been raising this issue time and again. of
You had
making
promised me, that's why I'm.
Transfer tax uniform for everyone.
Yeah.
I will study it in the shortest possible time.
वीरेश बाप पूरा
Within a week, I will see that it is
Puro.
done.
Yeah, you had promised me, that's why.
Within a week, I will do it. I'll put my officers on the job. Within a week, I'll do it.
Yes, okay.
Huh? अरे तुझ्या करता सांगला मरे स्पीकर सर ते तेजे काम करता आम्ही आमचे काम करता आता ते कट मोशन गायला ते विड्रॉ कर म्हणून सगळे काम करता
सगळे आन्सर केले तुम्ही बसा
वन 171 बसीस टोटल आसल्यो बसी आता त्यो बसी शॉर्टफॉल जाल्या आता तुम्ही परत न्यू घेवपाचे आसा बसीस कित्याक इतलो 75 बसीस तुम्ही दाखयता ईबी बसीस घेतल्या त्यो सो ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 100 बसीस तुमचे शॉर्टफॉल आसा 95 बसीस शॉर्टफॉल आसा कितें तेजेर कितें उपाय काडला तुम्ही शॉर्टफॉल आसा तेका लागून ट्रिप्स ना ट्रिप मेळना बसी ना सगळे मागता रिक्वेस्ट करता तुमकां दिवपाक जावची ना बसी सिंपल आसा तुमकां 95 सुमार बसी शॉर्टफॉल आसा
बस
कितल्याशे
बस हांव सांगता.
गांवांनी कितले रिक्वेस्ट आसा
बाबा एक साइडी तुम्ही चड बस्यो मागतात चड
आम्ही
सर्विसीस मागतात
ऍक्च्युअल
शॉर्ट
रूट आसा
जातले
पळय
त्यो
तेजो
आड म्हणटा एक साइडी म्हणटा
171
तुजो
बसलो
बजेट
पळय,
कट केलो 65%
Electric
कसं काम
plan
करतलो तरी आसतना हांव सांगपाक सोदता तुमचे कट मोशन विड्रॉ कर
नाही, कशें cut
सप्लिमेंटरी
motion
ग्रांट्स
withdraw
अँड सो ऑन
अरे आम्ही शॉर्टफॉल
पैसे घेऊन
बसीस शॉर्टफॉल
बसीस
आसा
हाडटा सगळे हाडटा
नाही हेजो उपाय काडपाक जाय
वीरेश बाब,
तूं
पुरो.
उलय तरी उपाय ते सांग बरें काय ना उपाय
आता हांव
काय ना?
दिल्ल्या वळेरी क्रमांक
सरकाराकडून आम्ही हाडपाक
2.1,
उपाय.
2B, 2C, 2D, 2E आणि 2F आशिल्ल्यो मागण्यो क्रमांक 13, 19 आणि 31 वयले कपात प्रस्ताव सभागृहाच्या मतदानाक घालता जांकां ते मान्य आसा तांणी हय म्हणचें जांकां मान्य ना तांणी ना म्हणचें ना म्हटल्याचे म्हणणे मान्य जाले ना म्हटल्याचे म्हणणे मान्य जाले कपात प्रस्ताव नामंजूर जाले आता हांव वळेरी क्रमांक 13, 19 आणि 31 सभागृहाच्या मतदानाक घालता जांकां त्यो मान्य आसा तांणी हय म्हणचें तांकां मान्य ना तांणी ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटल्याचे म्हणणे मान्य जाले हय म्हटल्याचे म्हणणे मान्य जाले मागण्यो क्रमांक 13, 19 आणि 31 मंजूर जाल्यो सभागृहा मुखार आनी कांयच कामकाज नाशिल्ल्यान सभागृह शुक्रार 13 मार्च 2026 सकाळी 11:30 मेरेन स्थगीत करता
उलोवपाक सोंपें थोडे पंचायत सेक्रेटरी इतले वर्सान थिंगा आसा थोडे सेक्रेटरी वा क्लार्क उमके पंचायतीन आसा हांव हिंगा नांवां सांगपाक सोदना एकूय मनीस असो ना की म्हाका फोन करून रिक्वेस्ट करुना ताका ट्रान्सफर करनाका आनी ट्रान्सफर केल्लो तो परत ताका हाड म्हणटा आपलो मनीस आनी मागीर हावजान आमी उलयन दाखयता कितें दाखयता आमी सारके स्वच्छ म्हूण आमी स्वच्छ भारत मिशना अंडर येता म्हूण आमी आनी कोणाची ट्रान्सफर सांगना म्हाकाय जाय आसले हांवें कॉमन कार्डर सुद्दां हांवें हाडले क्लार्क जे मस्ती करता पंचायतीन सरपंचाकूय जी शपथां सांगता तांकां इमिडिएट ट्रान्सफर करपा जाय म्हूण हांवें 10 काय 11 ट्रान्सफर केल्यो पूण सगल्यो रिवर्स करच्यो पडल्यो आमचेच लोक येता हेय म्हजे ऑनरेबल मेंबर आनी कलीग हांव कोणाक दोश दिवपाक सोदना बट दॅट इज गोवा बिंग अ स्मॉल स्टेट दॅट इज द पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर वीच बेज ऑन यू वॉट कॅन यू डू दे ऑल्सो कॅनॉट हेल्प आय ऑल्सो कॅनॉट हेल्प आय हॅव टू लिसन टू देम ही परिस्थिती आमचे ल्हानशे धाकटुले गोंयान दुसरे पंचायतीचे मुद्दम हांव हांगा सांगपाक सोदतां. वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचे उलयले. AI बेस्ड सिस्टम पंचायतीन हांवें इंट्रोड्यूस केले. Almost I think 94% people have enrolled. आणि it is such a good system. लोक टायमार येवपाक लागला. जे डॉजिंग करतले आपण हे पंचायती आसा एकदा डबल चार्ज ते करपाक मेळना अंडर दिस AI बेस्ड सिस्टम. It is a simple system to operate. And other departments also have asked us. And I am very confident that in due course of time, all the departments will be adopting this system. पूण तेच बरोबर म्हाका आनी एक सांगपाक जाय. ही सिस्टम एडॉप्ट करतना तोरी आसतना थोडे एडमेंट आसता. थोड्या जाणांनी म्हणजे एडॉप्ट करूं ना. If it can be 80 have already used the system, 88%, why not the remaining 12%? I have decided to stop the salary of the people who have not come on the system. They will be considered as absent. I have issued direction. Tenna sagle जाण येतले. And when it is 100% successful and people see that it is working in the panchayat department, when efficiency has increased, and I have seen it increasing in other states, therefore I brought the system and I adopted it. Tenna म्हाका हिंगाय ती adopt करून दाखोवपाक जाय, and I am very confident all the other departments will also follow suit. हे हांव जाणा हे पंचायतीन जातले म्हूण. आनी दुसरे पंचायत अंडर दीन दयाल infrastructure development scheme 38 जे म्हणटा पैसे ना, they are showing as if they are collapsing. 38, whether it is a new panchayat ghar, whether it is a market, whether it is some beautiful infrastructure in the village, whether it is a hall, whether it is some beautification, आमी 38 project under Deen Dayal infrastructure scheme आमी तयार करून दिला. Another 38 are in the pipeline. Pipeline means work in progress, not in the pipeline. There are more projects. That means 76 projects will get completed by the end of this year totally. So who says the infrastructure is not improving? की पंचायतीन कांय बरे भाशेन चलना. थोडे सरपंच इतले इंटरेस्ट घेता खरें तेंची तोखणाय करपाक शकती. आनी तेन्ना तेंचे ते भाशेन ते इंटरेस्ट घेवनूच बरें काम करता. आनी आमी तांकां एनकरेज करपाक जाय. दुसरे फंड्स आमकां लेस एलोकेट जाले म्हूण हांगा एक सांगले गेले की सेंटरासून फ्रॉम 15 फायनान्स कमिशन युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट पंचायती कडेसून आमकां मेळना. कित्याक मेळना? हांवें सांगलां तशें थोड्यांनी बँकान पयशे दवरले. युटिलायज करपाक जाय तशे पयशे करूं ना आनी ऑटोमॅटिकली वेर यूल गेट द युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट बँकान पयशे दवरला म्हूण सांगून कितें प्रोग्रेस करून कितें काम केलां तें दाखयल्यार तुका पयशे मेळटले. हे भाशेन पंचायत ओवरऑल बरें फंक्शनींग चल्लेलें आसा. आनी आमी आमचे जे टेक्निकल सेल आहा जे हांवें इंट्रोड्यूस केल्लें कित्याक फास्ट क्लियरन्स येवपा जाय म्हूण तेंय आमी आनी सुटसुटीत करपाचें आसा. आमचो एकूच तरी एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर आहा. आमी मायज हें करतले म्हणजे मायज आनी एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर हाडपाकूय आमी ट्राय करता सो दॅट द होल थिंग इज स्ट्रीमलायन. पयले हिंगा म्हणलें तांकां यू हॅव टू एम्पावर द पंचायत. आय वॉन्ट टू मेन्शन हियर स्पीकर सर. पयले अंडर दीन दयाल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट स्कीम 1 crore मेळटालो पयलीं. आतां 1 crore आहा तो म्हाजेच काळान हांवें ते 2 crore केले. मागीर 3 crore केले, 3.5 crore केले. तरी आसतना पावना जायना, उणे पडटाले पयशे. मागीर ते एक स्टेजीर पावन बंद पडटाले. हाल्ली आमी नोटिफाय करून टोटली 5 crore केल्ले आसा. म्हणजे एक डिसंट पंचायत घर सगळे कडेन बांदपाक मेळटा. हांवें कोणा डिस्टिंग्वीश करूं ना, ओपोजिशन ऑर रुलींग. बाब एल्टन म्हाजे कडेन फाटीं आयिल्लो, तेजे हांवें प्रपोजल क्लियर केलें. ते डिस्कस म्हूण मातशें उरलें तें कितें म्हाका जाणा जावपाक जाल्लें. पूण हांवें ओपोजिशन म्हूण दवरूं ना, तेंय क्लियर केलें. हे भाशेन अनेक कडेन हांवें प्रपोजलां सगळे कडेन क्लियर केल्लीं आसा. तुजें केलां मरे सदां मागीर करता न्ही दोनी. हे भाशेन हांवें ओपोजिशन म्हूण केन्नाच कोणा दवरूं ना. म्हाका जाय ऑलरावंड डेव्हलपमेंट. आनी हिंगा उलयलां तशें विलेज्यो तरी सारक्यो आसल्यो जाल्यार सगळे सारके उरतले. आतां एक आज तरी कोण उलोवना, लास्ट सेशनाक उलयल्ले बर्ज ती केस जाली ती कित्याक जाली? इट इज अ सिस्टमीक फेलियर. इट इज नॉट फेलियर ऑफ पंचायत डिपार्टमेंट एज वॉज ट्रायड to point out against one department. It is a failure of multiple departments. So definitely we have to have SOPs. The day that incident happened, within 1 week I sent a file to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Chief Secretary, because they appointed a task force or a committee to oversee that and recommend new SOPs. Both the files are being combined, and we'll have definite SOPs, how the secretaries have to issue permission, how the panchayat cannot issue something illegal, even if they have got other permission, how they can verify. All this is being streamlined, Speaker sir. हे जेन्ना आमी streamline करता, हे जे problem जाला ते जावपा ना. This is an inherited problem. If I may say so, even sometimes truth is a casualty if you speak the truth. So I get sometimes scared to speak the truth. But I want to say here, if you scan in entire Goa, in their own villages, they should scan whether those 12 or 14 permissions which are required to build a house, even if it is your own property, do people have those permissions? Our Goans are not used to that because the system is so complicated. That's why I call it a systemic failure. We have to simplify it and make it a single window system. Honorable Chief Minister was speaking about it today, that he will make it. I told him it has to be done, and he said, yes, I'm going to make it. Even if it is your own property, if you're building something, the process is so complicated. I know what happened to me when I went to a village to build my farmhouse. I know how long it took for those permissions. 6 months I had to take. I had to run from pillar to post. So I said, oh God, what is the position of a common man? That's why the common man prefers, या आणि आमका नाका, आम इंदून पड्या नाका, बांध. सरपंच सांगता तू बांध रे, कितें जाता? बांधाय मरे, कितें जाता? ही परिस्थिती सगळे विलेजींनी जाल्ली आसा, कोणे ना म्हूण सांगचें. आनी मागीर लायसन्स घेता आसतना एक हे म्हूण घेता, घर म्हूण घेता, मागीर NOC घेता, प्रेशर घालता, आमचेच लोक प्रेशर घालता, आनी मागीर ते लायसन्स तुका जाय तशें दिता. पयले बार म्हूण दिता, आनी मागीर डान्सिंग जावन ते डान्स बारूय जाता. So we have to correct this system. We have to get a SOP in a proper way. Only then the situation will improve. But we cannot blame the panchayat, or you cannot blame the secretaries themselves. They are doing their duty. Secretaryच्या उलयतना खूबदां हांवें सांगलां, तेंचेर जी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घायल्ली आसा, खूंय जाला. Level 3 म्हणजे they are like LDC. See the functions they perform. At least their pay scale should be brought at level 5. I don't know why it is pending and why it should remain pending. दोष माझेर येता. दुसरें हांव सांगपा सोदतां, 7th pay commission. Already I have given the administrative approval, and I think Honorable Chief Minister will consider that, because I have spoken to him and file is lying in the finance department. So तेणी काळजी करपाक गरज ना की आमी, we are already seized of the matter. 7th pay commission is matter of their right, it will be done. So all the corrections that need to be done like this will be done one by one. And I'm sure whatever issues that they have raised, I will answer them, taking the names after I finish my general speaking. I think as far as panchayats are concerned, I don't want to speak more until I answer the specifics. I next go to industries, trade and commerce. Every time a picture is being created, and deliberately so I would say, because ultimately we have to realize one thing. Ultimately we are going to go into battle in the election. And whatever maximum that you should try to hype up and bring up in a big way, like an explosion taking place socially, it will always help the person concerned, especially if you are in the opposition. I want to tell them, anybody can be in any shoes. Today they are in the opposition. Very easy to point out, very easy to point fingers, but when you point one finger, others point at you. And at the same time, things in a democracy can change overnight. So what is important is doing the right thing. As far as industries is concerned, as you know, Goa is known for tourism. आमी tourism state म्हणून सगळे जाण जाणा. पूण तेच बरोबर आमकडे 23 इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट आसा. 23 इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान हिंगा तरी इंडस्ट्री येयना, येवपाक सोदना. जाल्यार रिसंटली आमी जे प्लॉट ऑक्शनाक घातले, आमचो बेज रेट तरी 2,500 आहा, लोकांनी घेतला 8,000. बेज रेट तरी आमचो 6,000 आसा, जाल्यार लोकांनी घेतला 18,000 देखून लोकांनी घेतलेले आसा. म्हणजे अजूनही गोवा इज प्रिफर्ड फॉर सेटिंग अप इंडस्ट्री, and they come through two ways. One, if they are plots less than 3,000, obviously they come to the IDC board. We clear the thing after evaluating everything. As we know, the red category industry is not welcome. We welcome only eco-friendly industry, the green category, yellow, sometimes it is considered. And like this, good industry is welcome and will always be welcome. And हे भाशेन आमी इंडस्ट्री सेक्टरान खूबसो बदल हाडलेलो आसा. जेन्ना आमी वेअरहाउसिंग आणि लॉजिस्टिक्स पॉलिसी हाडली, पहिले चिंतताले लोक वेअरहाउसिंग कशें इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी जावपाक शकता, वेअरहाउसिंग कशी इंडस्ट्री. आज सगळे वेअरहाउसिंग वचपाक सोदता. आनी हांव हांगा सदां सभागृहांत सांगता तशें, one day it is going to be the biggest industry, logistic industry and warehousing, where Goa will become like a trading hub. What is Dubai and what is Singapore? What was there at one point of time? How people go abroad for white collar jobs. I am dreaming of that day and it will happen. Goa will become the largest trading center in this part of the world, and we will have goods coming in and going out. And slowly but steadily it is helping. And why it will not happen? We have got 2 airports. We have got one airport in the north, one airport in the south. We have to maintain and see that the South Goa airport, Dabolim airport is maintained for eternity, not only for tourism, but for industry, for movement of goods from across the border. Many good manufacturing goods being exported abroad should happen after coming to Goa. From here it should move, and it is bound to happen sooner or later, and it is slowly but steadily happening. I can see it happening. And this way we have developed the 23 industrial estates, and through the investment promotion board, which is like a one single window clearance, we have cleared many projects. We have cleared, I think, more than 6,600 crore worth projects. Some of them have seen the light of the day. Some of them are work in progress. We cannot ask every industry, what is the percentage of your work? When are you going to complete? They have been given sufficient time. And by giving sufficient time, we cannot compel them and give them a deadline. Your industry should be complete and it should go into production at so and so time. Some industries do take time. Yes, there are some units who have taken land and they are sleeping. We will take whatever necessary legally, what action is permissible, because it is not for trading. We realize it. We want real industry to come, Speaker sir. And in the same way, I want to say that there are many people who are making a beeline to come here. If we had welcomed every project, then land would not have been enough. By now, we have been oversaturated. We are very careful about this particular thing. And I want to say here that as far as the industrial development is concerned, it is moving at a good pace. You take the example of IDC. When I took over as industries minister, I remember those days, it was in minus. Today, we are in a plus with a big amount. I don't want to name the amount because we have definitely improved. We have digitized everything. We have an open portal where everything is visible in a transparent manner. Where land is there, where land is available, where land is not there, and what is the price, which plots are being auctioned, which plots are not being auctioned, which are available if you are applying it directly to IDC. When this is a matter of open chapter, where is the question of something else happening there which used to happen in the extra years? Simply talking for sake of talking is not enough, Speaker sir. We have to see what is the ground reality. We have to see what is achieved and what is achievable. What are the policies so framed? Unless you have sound policies, we cannot be expected to move further. And that is what has happened in the industrial sector. So much so that recently I remember that all the industries association, they gave me a pretty surprise. I will come to that later. It is written somewhere. I don't have habit of reading the papers, where I myself was awarded and given a scroll of honor by all our industrialists. And I asked them, why are you giving it? They said, no, this change, this badal, what has come, we never expected. It has come in a big way. You see where Goa is going, and really it is moving. It's only that we are now in the habit of opposing the good things and the bad things both. जशें आमी कोंकणीन म्हणटा, सुक्याचेर ओले जोडटा, ओल्याचेर सुकेंय जोडटा. अशें जाल्यार कशें जातलें? आमी तरी सगळें ओपोज करपाक लागले. आमी तगली सगळेच बरें ना म्हणपाक लागले, आनी बरें कितें केलां तें एप्रिशिएट करना, आनी हें बरें म्हणना, जाल्यार गोंय बिगडटलें. आमी लोकांची मनां आमी बिगडटा, आमी लोकांची मनां कुसयता, आनी मागीर बरे लोक कशे चिंततले? बरें सुद्दां केलें मागीर वायट म्हणटले, डेव्हलपमेंट केलें वायट म्हणटले. पूण आज आदलें गोंय उरोना म्हणून इंडस्ट्री हांगा येवपाक सोदता. वी आर वेल कनेक्टेड बाय रोड्स, good bridges, good roads, as I said, 2 airports, 2 railways, good port which is being built up today. You have a passenger terminal also which is going to come up there. All these things are building to the making of a modern progressive Goa. हे आमी रियलायज जावपाक जाय. आमी तरी लोकांक नेगेटिव्ह मुडान गायले जाल्यार कशें जातलें स्पिकर सर? आतां ह्या इंडस्ट्रीचे उलयतना हांव स्पेसिफिकली सगळे पॉयंट टू पॉयंट वयतना प्रत्येक जाण उलयला ते हांव वयता ट्रान्सपोर्ट आमकां एक संवय जाला कितें म्हणजे वायट म्हणपाचें. हांव मान्य करता ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटान सबसिडी म्हण नाका, फंडींग म्हण नाका, गॅप फंडींग म्हण नाका, मॅक्सिमम पयशे कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशना वयता. म्हाका एक सांगा, एक प्रसंगूच याद करता आमचे सगळे गोंयचे लोकांक आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक. जेन्ना कोवीड जाल्लें, कोण मुखार सरपाक सोदनासलो, कोण आपली गाडी मुखार हाडपाक सोदनासलो, कोणू कित्याक भिताले मरतले म्हूण. इक्विपमेंट म्हण नाका, लोकांक हिंगासून थिंगा व्हरपा म्हण नाका, प्रवास करपा म्हण नाका, एमर्जन्सी आहा थिंगा पावपा म्हण नाका, कोण पावले? कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन. हें फक्त प्रॉफिट मेकींग ऑर्गनायझेशन न्हू, हें लोकांचे सेवे खातीर. आनी ते चिंतून आमी कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन केल्लें. हें कॉर्पोरेशन करता तेन्ना हांव याद करता, तेन्नासून हांव पॉलिटिक्सान आहा. कितले ऑपोजिशन आसले प्रायवेट बस लॉबीचे. आज जशें आमकांय ऑपोजिशन आहा थोडे बदल हाडपाक थोडे कडेन, तेन्नाय खूब ऑपोजिशन आसले. लोक रस्त्यार येयले, बस्यो फोडल्यो आनी कितें फोडलें. पूण तेन्नाचो मान्य मुखेलमंत्री आतां फाटीं सरना. तेणें सांगलें ना, कदंबा येवपा जाय, आमकां हें लोकां सेवी खातीर जाय, आनी कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन येयलें. आज आमी ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेक्टरान आमी थोडो बदल हाडपाक सोदता. आमी म्हणटा कदंबा बस सगळे कडेन पावना, पळय पावना. कित्याक जे आमकां फ्लेम 1 आनी फ्लेम 2 आमकां स्किमी खाला बस्यो दिल्ल्यो, इलेक्ट्रीक बसीस दिल्ल्यो, मागीर सेंटरान रोखडो बदल केलो, आमकां दिवना. इवन थोड्यो आमकां मेळ्ळ्यो त्यो स्वताचे म्हाका वचोन थिंगा झगडून हाडच्यो पडल्यो. ते म्हणपाक लागले स्कीम काबार. तूं जाणा आमचो कितलो प्रेशर आसता तो, एक ल्हान स्टेट जाल्ल्या कारणान बाकीच्या स्टेटींचो प्रेशर चला आसता. तरी आसतना आमी बस्यो हाडून दाखयल्यो. म्हणून आज इलेक्ट्रा त्यो बसीस हिंगा अप्लाय करून आमकां इलेक्ट्रिकल बसीस आसा जे चड पोल्युशन जायना. पूण तेच बरोबर हांव मान्य करता, थोडे आमचे मान्य आमदार म्हणटा आमकां त्यो शॉर्ट बसीस हाड, डिझल बसीस हाड, विलेजींनी त्यो आमकां उपकारता म्हूण. आनी म्हाका हेय खबर आसा 150-200 बसीस हे आमचे फुडल्या वर्सा म्हणल्यार आफ्टर 15 years वी कॅनॉट प्लाय देम ऑन द रोड. आमकां नवीन बस्यो जाय पडटल्यो. खुंयसून तरी आमकां बस जाय आनी त्यो बस आमी हाडचे पडटले. आनी आमी जाणा प्रेशर येता पयशांचो, सगळे जाय तशे एक एकदां फंड्स मेळना, तेन्ना आमी अटकून उरता. KTC कडेन डिमांड जायत आसता. पूण हिंगा आमी पळयतना फकत प्रॉफीट पळयना, कशे पयशे जोडपा जाय ते पळयना. आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा अंत्योदया, पर्सन लास्ट इन द लायन, person in that last village who never expects to get transport to come to the city to move, थिंगा आमची बस आनी प्रवास करपाक तेका ट्रान्सपोर्ट आसपा जाय म्हणून कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन केल्लें. आनी तोच हेतू आमचो आसा, प्रॉफीट करपा ना. हांव जाणा मातशें टर्न अरावंड केल्यार, चड डिजिटायजेशन हाडल्यार, टिकेटींग बरें सारकें ट्रान्सपरंट मॅनर केल्यार आनीकूय रेवेन्यू येतलो. हांव स्वताचो बोर्डाक बसून हांवें निर्णय दिल्लो. हांव मागता आमच्या चेअरमॅना कडेन इम्प्लिमेंट करते, डिले कर नाका. MDकूय सांगता हिंगा हे सभे माजारसून डिले केल्ले आसा. हांव स्पश्ट उलोवपी, हांव हें टॉलरेट करपाना. म्हाका हें बेगीन केल्लें जाय, कित्याक थोडो पर्संटेज रेवेन्यू आमचो वयर वयतलो. तुमी ते बदल कितें केला हांव नको कितें तें. आनी इतलें ब्युटिफूल सिस्टम आमी दिल्ली. आनी हांव एक सांगपाक सोदतां, हे ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेक्टरान सुद्दां म्हाजी इच्छा आसा, बिफोर द कंप्लिशन ऑफ दीस इयर हांव मॅक्सिमम ऑनलायन हाडपाक म्हाजी प्रयत्न चालू आसा आनी हांव करून दाखयतलो. इट इज इन द एडवान्स स्टेज. वेदर इट इज माय ओन डिपार्टमेंट RTO, most of the services are this. 100% it should be digital. Before end of the year I want to make it and I will make it and show. हांव एकदां कितें सांगता, हांव करून दाखयता. हांव बेश्टें उलोवपा जाय म्हूण उलयना. ते थोड्या कितें आसा, देर इज इनर्शिया टू एक्सेप्ट चेंज, देर इज इनर्शिया टू ब्रिंग एट अबाउट ट्रान्सपरंट सिस्टम. हें उलयता हांव एक इम्पॉर्टंट विशयाचेर येता. पयर चर्चा जाली जेन्ना माझे डिमांड्स ना पयर चर्चा जाली एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आसले आमचे बाबा लीडर ऑफ पोजिशन. It was not at all my intention to hurt anybody's sentiment, and least of all people whom we are dealing. We want them to come to the table and according to listen to the opinion of all the 40 MLAs, or particularly those from coastal area, and come to a consensus. Where is my intention to hurt them? And some people said, some people came to me and they said, your chief minister said that there was no this. He was right. What I said was misheard or was not heard properly. I did not say that they fought in the conference room when the meeting was going on. There is a fundamental difference. Meeting went on very smoothly. On the contrary, I told the chief minister, today they are so well behaved, and today I think we will be able to crack our problem which is there for so long. They are very positive. And in that meeting itself, in that interview itself, and in this August House, I called them the real ambassadors of tourism. If I was against them, if I had something against them, why I would have said that that they are the real ambassadors? I rather praise them. And when is it that I have not reached out to them? When they were in difficulty, I reached out to them. And what is the thing what we are proposing? Simply it has become a ego point. A draft policy on aggregator is sought to be projected as if we have notified. They seem to be so intelligent, especially leader of opposition. He shows a draft aggregator policy. Does it become a policy for me to withdraw? It remains on paper. It is as good as nothing. He should realize this. Otherwise, I am ready to withdraw it right now. There is nothing to withdraw because it is a draft. They should realize this. I did not say this. I was waiting for the moment to answer this. Purposely, I did not answer. A draft policy is nothing. It means nothing, I am telling you. So, even when a new policy comes, that means that will be automatically withdrawn. I said it on purpose. I wanted to see what you are saying. Remember, a draft is a draft. It is nothing finalized. So, we can come out with a brand new policy. As is our endeavor, Speaker Sir. Get everybody on the digital platform. They don't like the word app. Get them on a digital platform where fares would be uniform for everyone. No distinction. And since they said, we have respect to that. I respect their opinion. As I said the other day when I answered that question, I must sometimes put myself in their shoes, what they feel. Yes, I put myself in their shoes. And therefore, it should be one single rate. And from point to point, it should be available on your mobile. What is the fare to the tourist, to the local person who is traveling, and to the taxi fellow. He knows how much he will earn. And when you are going to go on the digital platform, once you register there, and if you have a daily customer who comes every year, and every time he comes, he will come to you only. Will he say, no, I will give only this much? I know of cases where they pay you double or triple, because tourists love Goa, they love the atmosphere, and they just tip you. And we have, at least I have always reached out to the taxi people. I don't know how so much of misunderstanding every time, as if I am against them, and I am against because they are local and I am not for locals. What type of argument I myself don't understand. So basically, we all are for Goans. I don't want to single out anyone and say that he is not for Goan. We all are for Goa. That should be the real spirit with which we work. And I'm telling another thing. Let me be frank. We are in the election year. Whatever I may say, I'll try to this. As I said earlier, you can take a horse to a water, but you cannot ask it to drink the water. I want to see, if I have to bend backwards, I will bend to accommodate their thinking. But it has to be a joint exercise from all the MLAs. And let us come out with a solution. But one thing I plead with the August House. Ultimately, they have to come on a digital platform. We need data to plan. We need data to decide which types of taxis we can give permit, we should not give. Today it is in a haphazard manner. And may I say so, one person who retired took full advantage of this and made a franchisee and kept on giving taxis. I'm admitting in this August House I did not know for quite some time. And I stopped it when I came to know. These are the things, these are the type of things which will continue to happen. And because he was on the verge of retirement, I did not take action. Otherwise, I would have been the first one to take action. This is the malpractices which will happen. Because you don't expect anything, everything to come on a file and everything will be hunky-dory. When it's on a digital platform. Every information comes in front of you in a jiffy. And with AI going to play an important role in every sphere of activity, I think all this data can be used gainfully to plan for the future. Don't look at Goa today, look at Goa far beyond. It is something which we all need to do if we will see Goa progress. It is a matter of a progressive state. It is a matter of the right thinking people. Let us put that to good use, and that is what is required. And people expect of us in this August House. That's why it is called the August House. Not everybody can come here, not everybody comes here. It is our good fortune of all of us that we are here to legislate, think good, and implement good policies for the people. Sometimes we become constituency centric. Sometimes we become so attuned to that we forget that we are there for the state of Goa. We are there for Goa as a whole. This thing should not happen, Speaker Sir. When I also have equal number of taxis at my Dublin airport, I have been able to always convince my United Taximen Union, the taxi people. At times they have been very angry with me, but they have always been with me. That's your leadership. That's the way you should convince them. I'm very, very grateful even from this August House. I want to tell them. And that's how I was able to push things. In the same manner, I would also request all my other most respected honorable members of this August House, let us get a good policy attuned to the times. As my good friend Michael said, we are in a changing world. It is a new world. So let us decide something anew, something which will be practical, something which will be good. Let us not move backward in a manner which will be detrimental in the long term. We should not forget, Speaker Sir, one thing, that in our neighborhood, whether it is Sawantwadi, whether it is Kankoli, and that entire stretch is developing very fast as a tourism hub. Today also it is a fact. I want to state in this August House. People may criticize me for speaking the truth. Truth is always at a premium. 70% of traffic what comes from Maharashtra to the Mopa airport. Today what caters to maximum to Goans is the Dublin airport. I'm not saying 30% also is a huge number for Mopa. So we have to maintain and think overall what is good for Goa, what will be really necessary as far as Goa is concerned. Speaker Sir, now I think I should move to the specifics of every point that was raised here. Honorable Leader of Position, I want to tell him about, he said about the drivers training facilities as well as some others said so. Government of India has notified scheme for setting up integrated driver training center and regional driving training center. Under this scheme, we are preparing the detailed project report for submission to central government, and funds are expected to come totally from Government of India. That's why in the budget, as you said, allocation is zero. Because I spoke to Nitin Gadkari ji and he has agreed to give full funds to us. Okay? So that's why there is zero allocation in the budget. And I personally wrote to him thereafter as a follow-up, and he called me up and he said, definitely I'm going to consider even this regional center. Okay? Then, of course, you spoke about the Amboli matter. As you know, we had constituted a committee with Superintendent Engineer as chairman to investigate the matter. So the SC got promoted as CE, as Panchayat department was not having SC level officer, and matter involves investigating civil construction works. Matter was later referred to Vigilance Department. So Vigilance Department is handling it. Our committee is no more handling it. And the allegations were against gazetted officers in that particular complaint, like assistant engineer and executive engineer. So this will be thoroughly investigated. Don't worry about that. Action, whatever necessary, will be taken. That is what I am telling you. Then, of course, all the files are taken into custody. All material is taken into custody by Vigilance Department, and they are fully investigating the case. Then you also said that 15 finance grants are given to state based on geographical area of each village panchayat and population of village panchayat. That is what I want to inform you. It is based on the village population as well. The formula of allocation is devised by the Central Finance Commission. We absolutely have no role in this. They decide. It's only once when the Finance Commission came, why that high allocation you're seeing. I personally made a presentation with his permission. Mr. Singh was there. And he gave us extra. In fact, he told one of the officers, such a beautiful presentation, I feel like giving him extra funds. He gave me extra fund. That's how we got extra. Now we are not getting that extra because what extra funds were given, panchayats were not able to utilize. They kept it in the bank. So no UC, no utilization certificate. How will you get more fund? It's as simple as that. Then, of course, what is something else you said? Okay, I'll come to your points later from that booklet. Govind Gaude, he was most vociferous, and most vociferous, I think, more than you all also. But I want to tell him, the issue of Marcel bus stand between KTCL and Tivri, Korgaon village panchayat is already approved by Secretary Transport, and matter will be placed before next cabinet meeting. Issues are like this. Kadamba Transport Corporation, definitely, initially they were not agreeing because they said it is like a sellout. We are losing so much of money. And then again you all will say Kadamba is losing more money. This is how the money sometimes get lost, even though his demand may be genuine. To hand over 10 shops at Marcel bus stand to Tivre, Orgaon village panchayat. Rent-free village panchayat office of Tivre, Orgaon, situated in Marcel bus stand. To waive rent of library premises in Marcel bus stand. One number of rent-free shop to Art and Culture Department. Rent-free premise to be given to police outpost in Marcel bus stand. Yes, these are necessary. But at the same time, Kadamba will lose the money. Definitely they had reservations. So you cannot expect them to immediately agree to lose the revenue. That's why it got delayed, but next cabinet it will be cleared.
सर कितें ते टायम बाउंड सांग नेक्स्ट कॅबिनेटाक जाल्यार नेक्स्ट कॅबिनेटाक फुडले दोन कॅबिनेट जाले ते टायम सांग काणयो नाका आमकां हांगसर टायम दी नेक्स्ट कॅबिनेट तेजे उपरांत जाल्यार तेजे उपरांत करपाना सोडून दी
स्पीकर सर, माझो उत्तर सारको स्पष्ट असा.
म्हजे प्रश्न स्पष्टूच आसा स्पीकर सर
हांव तेजे हेजो फुडल्या
म्हजो प्रश्न स्पष्ट आसा.
काय आन्सर दिवपाक शकना तें हांव सांगता.
म्हजो प्रश्न स्पीकर सर स्पष्ट आसा. जाता जाल्यार जाता ना जाल्यार काणयो आयकोपाची ना मागीर आमी पळयता कितें करपाक
तेजे फुडले हांव आकाय तेजेवन फुडें आन्सर दिवपाक शकना आनी हांव दिवचोय ना.
जालें दॅट मिन्स
फुडल्या कॅबिनेटान आठवण सांगला की मोस्ट फुडले असत रेडी जायना जाल्यार तोय कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर आसलो तेका खबर आहा कशें जाता.
अरे कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर आसतना तुजे मुखार मांडटा हांव. स्पीकर सर दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम. गेली 7 वर्ष कॅबिनेट केन्ना जालेत ना हाजेर. 7 वर्ष जाली स्पीकर सर. फकाणां करता हांगसर फकाणां करता.
कितें तेजे जाला.
अरे म्हाका स्पीकर सर आज आमी तुज्या फ्लोराचेर उबो आसा. म्हाका तुजे कडल्यान उत्तर जाय. म्हाका तुजे कडल्यान उत्तर जाय. काणयो सांगता हांगसर येवन. आमी फक्त हांगसर उलोवपाचें आनी वचपाचें. लोकांनी आमकां हांगसर आमी हांगसर मेरिटाचेर पाविल्ले आसा स्पीकर सर. कोणाची हाजी करून पावना. आमी हांगसर लोकांनी आमकां निवडून दिल्यात आनी कोणाक काय नुकसाण जावपाक जायना.
मांडा पूण योग्य पद्दतीन मांडा.
योग्य पद्धतीने सांगला न्ही स्पीकर सर. गेली 7 वर्ष योग्य पद्धतीने सांगता. योग्य पद्धतीने सांगल्यार जर कळना जाल्यार मागीर आनी खंयच्या पद्धतीने सांगपाचें ते सांग न्ही म्हाका खंयच्या पद्धतीने सांगपा तें सांग म्हाका.
उत्तर दिवपा जाय ते मंत्री दितले. तुम्ही उलोवन जाले बसा.
नाही उलोवन जालें म्हळ्यार कितें तर स्पीकर सर यू कॅनॉट गिव अ जस्टिस टू मी.
तुमचे उलोवप
नो म्हाका कमिटमेंट जाय. हांवें 2 शब्द सांगला. जायना जाता म्हाका टायम दी.
मंत्री उत्तर
यू आस्क मिनिस्टर टू गिव मी टायम.
मंत्री उत्तर दितले.
तुझी पावर आसा स्पीकर सर. यू यूज युअर पावर.
उलोवन जाले बसा. मंत्री उत्तर दितले बसा.
स्पीकर सर हांवें हेजेवन आनी स्पश्ट कितें सांगपाचें. नेक्स्ट कॅबिनेटी हाडटा चुकोवन उरलें जाल्यार नेक्स्ट कॅबिनेट 100% इतलेंच सांगपा. हेजेवन मागीर जावं कितें सांगपाक शकता.
फुडें उलया.
इतली हे आवाज करून दाखिवचे
अरे
फ्रस्ट्रेशन काढत असता नको.
कितलेशे कॅबिनेट जाल्यो
झाले आता
म्हाकाच खबर ना. स्पीकर सर हा एक इश्यू जे म्हाका उत्तर मेळ्ळा ते हांव हिंगा दिता. बाब विरेश बोरकारान काढले स्मार्ट बसीज 5 स्मार्ट बसीज ना म्हण. KTC smart under Panjim smart city operation. KTC bus operates total 48 EV buses in Panjim smart city through that operator. As per the tender document, 48 buses the operator has to keep 5 number buses as spare to be used under rotation for maintenance so that no schedule to be cancelled or got without operation. पण इतोरी आसतना इतले 3 buses हांव तुका सांगता. Out of above 5 number of spare buses on 3 buses we operate on Mapsa, Porvorim, Panjim route. इंतल्यो कित्याक आमकां शॉर्टेज आहा ते 5 एक्चुअली स्पेअर दवरपा जाय. आं हांव बाकी दिता रे बाकी एक येता ते दिता न्ही.
स्पेअर कित्याक केल्यो न्यू बसीस
आं
न्यू बसीस स्पेअर कित्याक केल्यो तुम्ही
एकदा आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर वयता इवन ते EV बसीस आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर वयता ताका लागून दोन
कशें जातले न्यू बसीस
आणि
एक वर्स
ऐक,
जावंक ना
तेका
स्पेअर
लागून-
कशें जातल्यो बसीस
ताका लागून तितल्यो हांवें तुका सांगले तशे 3 नंबर आमी त्या रुटार यूज करता. म्हापसा, पोरवोरी, पेंजीम.
ना ना
ओली
तुमचो
2 स्पेअर उरल्यो मागीर.
रिप्लाय क्लियर आसलो तुमच्यो 5 बसी ना म्हणून 48 बसीस तुम्ही गेले ते वर्स जाल्ल्यो आनी ह्या
अकाउंट दिलो मरे
वर्सा
5 बस विंग आयला ते.
ना स्पेअर म्हणटा मरे तुम्ही आता
हा
स्पेअर म्हणटा न्हू तूं आता
कितें
बसीचा स्पेअर म्हणटा 5 बसी स्पेअर जाल्या
स्पेअर म्हणजे आउट ऑफ दीस वी आर सपोज टू कीप स्पेअर. खंयची
spare.
ब्रेकडाऊन जाल्यार खंय एमर्जन्सी जाल्यार आमी त्यो दवरलेल्यो.
But तुम्ही
So
reply
तीन
दिला
आमी तीन आमी त्या रुटार आमी हे करता यूज
ते
करता.
ते तुम्ही रिप्लायन मेन्शन करूंक जाय न्हू
हा?
तुम्ही रिप्लायन मेन्शन करपा जाय न्हू की बाबा आमच्यो 3 बसीस ह्या रुटाक दिल्या
आता
2
रिप्लाय
बसीस
तुका
आमी स्पेअर
मेन्शन केला
दवरल्या
मरे. आता मेन्शन केला न्ही.
पण ते तुमच्या त्या डिपार्टमेंटाक तर सांग तर तशें जाल्यार तुम्ही मेन्शन केल्यार तो अशें दिसता की कोण चोरयेक गेल्या म्हणून बसी तुमचो डिपार्टमेंटान दिल्या एक वर्सा भितर 5 बसी
सारको रिप्लाय दिला.
तू मातशें डिपार्टमेंटाक सांग ते रिप्लाय दिता ते सारके दी म्हणून तशें जाल्यार ती तुम्ही क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवंक जाय न्हू
आता
3
तुका सारको
बसी
रिप्लाय दिलो काय झाले
ना
न्ही.
ते रिप्लाय दिता पळय तेन्ना सारके दिवंक जाय 3 बसी खंय गेल्या मागीर 2 बसी खंय
तुका
आसा,
रुटूय
स्पेराक
दिलो
दवरल्या.
मरे. आनी कितें जाय रुटूय दिलो तुका.
एलक्यू आमी
3 बसी हांवें केले
घालता
ते.
एलक्यू आमी घालता तो आमचो प्रिविलेज आसा एलक्यू वायज हांवें तुमकां विचारला क्वेश्चन
सिच्युएशन डायनामीक आसता. LAQ दिता म्हणल्यार तेन्ना त्यो बसयो ते प्लाय जायना थिंगा ते उपरांत थिंगा प्लाय जाता. आता तुका लेटस्ट रिप्लाय दिलाय.
पांच बसीचो डायनामीक कसलो हे पण बसी मरे त्यो फॉस्का काडी काय किती शणपाक कितें उलयता तुम्ही बस
तुका सारको
येती
तुका
व्हडली बस
एक्झॅक्ट हांवें आतां कितें परिस्थिती आहा ती रिप्लाय दिला मरे.
इट इज टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी लोकांचो पयसो तो बस हाडपाक इन्व्हेस्ट करपाक सो लोकांचो पयसो तेजी अकाउंटेबिलिटी तुम्ही धरपाक जाय. आतां ह्यो 5 बसी म्हणटा ते बारीक गोश्ट न्हू फॉस्काची काडी न्हू ती फॉस्क मारल्यान भायर उडयली तुम्ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिवंक जाय न्हू तूं आतां म्हाका सांगता की 3 बसी खंयच्या रुटाक घातल्या आनी 2 बसी स्पेराक दवरल्यो म्हणून
होय.
हे तुम्ही रिप्लाय एलिकीन दिवंक जाय न्हू हे एलिकीन तुम्ही रिप्लाय दिवंक ना सो क्लियर कट कित तरी तुमचे सारके गो आसा नाल्यार तुम्ही सारको रिप्लाय दितले न्हू क्लियर कट रिप्लाय आसा 48 बसीस
अरे तुका हांवें आतां दिला तो लेटस्ट रिप्लाय कितें आतांचे पोझिशन कितें आहा ते दिला न्ही.
विरेश बाब विरेश
आनी
बाब
कितें जाय तुका.
हांव इन्स्पेक्शन
तूं
इन्स्पेक्शन करून
ऐक-
येऊ
ऐक रे.
बसींची
तूं
इन्स्पेक्शन
आतां
करून
फक्त
येता
आमी लोकांचे पयशे
म्हाका allow करा.
वेस्टिंग
Speaker sir, म्हाका allow करा. हांव बसींचे inspection करपाक येता.
विरेश
असं
बाब
काय
विरेश
आर्ग्युमेंट
बाब
ऑल्सो इज दिस.
तुका एलोकीन आन्सर दिवं ना आनी
ना,
आतां
एलोकीन-
पळय आतां मंत्र्यान तुका आन्सर दिलें विधानसभेच्या पटलाचेर तुका आन्सर मेळ्ळें आतां परत तेजेर आर्ग्युमेंट्स करूं
एलिकीन
नाका.
म्हाका रॉंग आन्सर मेळ्ळें
जालो
म्हाका-
न्ही तो विशय.
Speaker sir, म्हाका इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक जाय 48 बसी आसा काय ना त्यो
ते मागीर
हांव
सगळें
येता
परमिशन
inspection
घेवन
करपाक.
कर पूण आतां तुमी तेजेर हें करूं नाका भासाभास करूं नाका जालें न्ही
भासाभास
विस्तार दिले म्हणटरी
स्पीकर सर सिंपल आसा जेन्ना आमकां एलिक्यू दिता तो आमचो प्रिविलेज आनी ते एलिक्यून रिप्लाय जो आसा तो सारको वचपाक जाय एज पर
एलोकीन
एलिक्यू
जो
रिप्लाय आमकां 48
एलोकीन
बसी
जो रिप्लाय तुका मेळो ना तो आतां माननीय मंत्र्यांनी हावजात तुका रिप्लाय दिलो न्ही
हय म्हाका दिलो
पण
मात
ती
आतां
तरी
म्हाका
आतां मागीर
satisfaction
तेजेर
नाका लागून
arguments
म्हाका
करनाका
पळोवपाक
न्ही
जाय
तुम्ही.
बसी
जालो
आसा
तो
काय
विशय.
म्हणून स्पीकर सर म्हाका पळोवपाक जाय सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मिनिस्टरान अलाव करपाचो तर फाल्यां हांव येता पळोवपाक डेपोचेर आसा खंय आसा त्यो बसी चॅक करता 48 आसा काय ना त्यो
माननीय मंत्री प्लीज गो
स्पीकर सर दुसरे एक of Vijay Sardesai, honorable memberan मांडले की 600 रुपीज त्यो म्हणजे भायरसून बस येता त्यो लिव्ह एन लायसन्स ते हें जाता ते आनी बाकीचे 300 and 600 हे जाता तेका हांव सांगपा सोदतां under all India tourist vehicle permit rules 2023 notified on 18/4/2023 for buses with more than 23 seats all India permit they pay quarterly fee of 90,000 and त्यांना एक notification आसा from Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Clearly, all states and UTs are again advised not to levy any other kind of taxes, fees, border tax from tourist vehicle plying under the strength of valid permit issued under the All India Tourist Vehicle Permit Rule 2023 across the country. हे clearly mention केल्ले आसा आणि हे circular प्रमाणे आमकां वयचें पडटा. And these are directions issued by
भायले बसीक 600 रुपया पर सीट आहा हे पिक्चर सारकें हांव ना
होय. But if you have all India
how
permit,
this other thing you are citing? See, by this I am showing that you are making a loss of 3 crore 89 lakhs a year with this 300 non-Goan buses, which are using live and license agreement. So I am saying that you are, by this adjustment,
leave and license agreement we have cancelled already now. We
Or-
don't permit
or-
anymore.
Yeah,
We don't
so
permit
then you
anymore.
have cited the wrong thing to me.
No.
You are
Under
citing
section
something
88.9.
which
listen
is
to
not
me.
applicable in this case.
No, it is applicable.
How? Tell me.
Under section 88.9, central government is empowered to make rules for all India permits. All states in the country are following same rules.
But
Hoy.
I'm not saying about that. See, I am asking you a simple thing. 300 रुपया per seat म्हणून गोंयच्यो बसीस registered आसा ओ ना? आसा जर जाल्यार 600 तांकां आहा आमकां 300 आहा ते 600 आसून 300चो बेनिफिट घेता आनी आमकां 4 कोटी रुपया ऑलमोस्ट लॉस जाता 3.89 crores a year with these 300 buses. This is what I'm trying to point out. If it is a matter which has not been investigated upon, you investigate it.
I will look into the matter.
because
Now that you have
I'm
brought it-
bringing this
See, I
as a
will verify
responsible,
it.
as a
It is not the
responsible
intention
member
to
of the
lose
house.
any revenue, but I have cited you,
This is a
cited
revenue
you
loss.
the central rules and leave and license we no more give. So that issue is laid at rest. But since you have raised the issue, I will definitely look into that.
See, I have raised many other issues also,
Yeah,
which are contentious.
I'm only going to the very important issues raised. Carlos, he said that rent a car, rent a bike should be given to local people. Okay? There has been debate in this very August house prior to this. म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी म्हणटा आनी आनी रेंट अ बायक दिवप ना एक्सिडेंट करता आनी रेंट अ कार दिवप ना हांगा कितले फाटी डिबेट जाला सो म्हाका सारकें कन्सेन्सस करून सांगा दिवपा जाल्यार दिवया कित्याक हितून जाला कितें तेंय हांव हे ऑगस्ट हावसान सांगपा सोदतां इल्लिगली लोक चलयता लायक आयल गिव इन मांद्रे इन जिट्स कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी द यूथ आर अनएम्प्लॉयड एक थिंगा लायसन्स केन्ना दिवन आय डोंट नो हाव इट हॅपन so everybody is operating illegally. What are they saying? Give us license, we want to come on the legal platform. So that is exactly what you are saying. So if that is so, so shall it be. So I'll do it. I have no problem.
ते मातशें पळया तुमी काल last time I brought on the floor of the house, one person has taken money promising this rent a car आणि तांची कामच जावना मोती दोंगरावयले कितलेच लोक आहा आमचे फातोर्डाचे कितले लोक आहा
See, I don't want
ते तो इश्यू रिझॉल्व जावचे
I
पयलीं
don't
तुमकां
want-
आनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी
Vijay.
दिवं नाका
Honorable Vijay Sardesai, I don't want to name that officer.
Yeah.
I have given enough hints what happened during his time and why I was so angry I was about to take action.
ना पण ते
Even the
भुरग्यांचे पयशे
franchisee
अजून
scheme
मेळूंक
आणि ते तुका खबर आहा मरे हांव जाणा तुजे कडेन कोण आयिल्लो तो
हय पण ते मेळूंक जाय मरे तांकां
हांव
पयशे
पिक्चरांकून
See, आमच्या मनात लोक येतकूच आमी काडटले न्ही ते इश्यू नाजाल्यार कशे काडप ते
Okay, then driving by hiring vehicles when they have experience of a few weeks only, or that they get a driving license and they drive. This we cannot keep a check. Once they have a driving license, rent a car, they will automatically give them, no? Huh? Okay, we will consider the speed governor so that they don't go fast, rent a car. We will consider this. My परत मागीर आनी बोर्ड करीत येतले कितें सांगपा की पळय आमकां आनी खर्च गायला आनी पयशे मोडपा करता सगळें आयकचें पडटा तूं आज हावजान सांगतलो फेस म्हाका करचें पडटलें Okay, you want the KTC services to be improved also, you said. Then no utilization certificate, which I explained to you. I explained to you about IPB as well. Jit Arolkar, he wants, anyway, he wants a digital platform, 40 lakhs limit, Form 10. हे बाकीच्यांकूय हांव सांगता हे बाकीच्यांनी रेस केला GIA funds दिताना those whose income is more than 40 lakhs don't get funds under GIA. Sometimes the income is very less. Form 10 बरोवपा जाय पूण तेंचे सेक्रेटरी जे आसा सरपंच एबा 40 दाखोवपा सोदता सो what we can do if records say income is more than 40 lakh but I will make a correction I will change the entire format so that poor panchayats get those funds understood no this I will bring about a change okay that I'll do no that I know that's what I told you no why
प्लेट मारता म्हणून
कितें?
आणि यूज करता प्रायव्हेट व्हेकल पलटी नंबर प्लेट मारून यूज करता म्हणून ते तुम्ही ऍक्शन काय सांगना भाई एक कंप्लेंट आसा सगळे अटॅच केल्या
सर मुकडे फुल
सबमिट केला हे टेबल
आम्ही कितले
टेबल करता
ऍक्शन घेयला फाईन्स कितले कलेक्ट केला सगळे
सगळे आणि तेच
नंबर
accident
प्लेट
जाता.
एक टायमा एक लायता मागीर
तेंचोच accident जाता,
मागीर दुसरी
सगळे.
नंबर प्लेट लायता सगळे खबर आहा म्हाका
हे पळय हे तेंच्यांनी नॉर्थ गोवा रेंट अ कॅब एसोसिएशनान कंप्लेन घातल्या ऑफिशियल तुमकां घातल्या पुलिसांकूय घातल्या तुम्ही ऍक्शन कांयच घेयना तुम्ही कित्याक घेयना ऍक्शन हेंचेर ऍक्शन घेया न्हू तुम्ही
म्हाका धाडून द्या
हे
ऍक्शन
पळय आतां तुमकां व्हिडिओ आसा तितून
ते सगळे नाका म्हाका
फायल टेबल करता
ओके यू प्लेस इट ऑन द टेबल ऑफ द हाऊस आय विल
तुम्ही
टेक
ऍक्शन घ्या तेंचेर इनलिगल चलता इतले सगळे
दिलायला लोगो
Students are demanding this. This is a demand, last time when students demanded from within, but to Pune Goa University, you had done it. Now there is a demand from students that from each taluka there should be a connection to the premier education institute.
I will get it seriously
With
examined
12 talukas,
because
12
I have done
buses.
for 1 or 2 buses I will get it examined what you are saying overall
also
context
that,
whether it can be
that
done so
Saint-
that
Saint
students have
Xavier's-
that facility
That Saint Xavier's Academy, person with disability, they put.
yeah that also I'll consider I have not come to you as yet when I come to you I'll tell you Delilah Lobo G to be given responsibility to prod the panchayat to use 15th finance commission 7th pay as I told you I have already cleared it administratively it has gone to finance we should hopefully I should get the clearance JE to be given responsibility sanglo tashe I am making a special cell so that we prod the panchayats to use those funds बेश्टे बँकान घालून जावपा ना म्हणून ओके दॅट आय एम डुईंग Dr. Shetty knows better than me how much I have done for Latam Parshe. He wants more to be done. I'll see that it is done. Kedar Naik is there. No crash helmet for pillion rider. Unfortunately, this rule is by the central government. I am तरी असताना आमचे लोकांक सांगला implement करू नका. Because sir, I have told my people enforcing because during school timings I have seen not 2 people, 4 people go on a scooter or on a 2-wheeler. It is a necessity in villages and all. They should not find them. They are our local gone people. They have no other means of transport. They cannot wait for hours for the bus to come. A practical difficulty, I hope they will understand this particular problem as well.
In North Goa तुझे एन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर ना एन्फोर्समेंट करतलो म्हणटा पळय तूं आतां विरेशाक बी सांगला तर यू डोंट हॅव एनी
घालपा जाय हांव जाणा 3 वेकन्सी घालता आणि BLO ड्युटी धाडपा नाका म्हूण तुमी जाणा जशे बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंट एफेक्ट जाता मॅक्सिमम आमचे पंचायतीचे स्टाफ ते ओडून वता बिकॉज दॅट इज द इजियस्ट टार्गेट फॉर देम I will request the Honorable Chief Minister to issue instruction. This thing should not happen because local self-governance suffers. Local self-government सारखे पाड पडटा पंचायतीन. So धाडनाका हांव CM सांगता. उल्हास तुयेंकर mini markets propose. That was the thing. Maji bus scheme wants more buses. Rudolph. All this I am taking into consideration. My officers have noted the role. Then Divya Rane. 2 very important things she raised. One is as regards the old scheme being revived, the 3 lakhs आम्ही दिताले minimum for garbage management. ONM आम्ही काय दिना. So I think we should revive this. I will try to revive this particular scheme. At the same time, this will be for solid waste management. Then एक माझं राईट हँड एक माझं लेफ्ट हँड म्हणजे दोन्ही माझे आंग कसे एक IDC म्हणल्यार इंडस्ट्रीज म्हाका लागता दुसरे पंचायत. I have already last board meeting of IDC I have very clearly mentioned we will have to give the money which is their due to the panchayats. So this particular thing I will try to clear in phases, not immediately. Then IDC will go in the red. I know it is the money of the panchayats. I fully
No,
realize.
you have to pay also municipalities, not only panchayat.
Both will
Yeah,
do.
yeah, that's
Both will do. I have already told the chairman as well and the board
And the
that
board because
it is their money what we are holding. I agree.
I had asked your IS director, he has told me that the scheme when somebody had made, he is not on the chair now, he is sitting here. He did that only for a period of 10 years. And after 10 years, it could not be. So you will have to change that scheme, saying it has to give you are only collecting and you will give back to them. You have to do that because he was giving that 10-year scheme. That's why he is unable to give.
Whole idea was, of course, they put that sunset clause only
Yeah.
10 years.
Yeah.
But if need be, we'll change
You
that.
change that.
Because I believe,
You bring in this assembly only.
because I believe that money belongs to the respective municipality
Correct.
or the panchayat. I'm agreeing in this August House.
You charge
I
them
will move
extra.
the file accordingly. Why should we make the panchayats poorer?
Infrastructure आम्ही करताय सगळे ताका लागून there was doubt about giving that money.
Nobody else pays for the infrastructure, roads, garbage, सगळे IDC करता.
It is not a question of infrastructure.
What-
Now,
what is
माझ्या
that?
घराकडे infrastructure.
So that means-
No, let me finish. तू एक senior member. आता माझ्या घराकडे पंचायत कसली infrastructure करता, रोड PWD करता, उदक PWD देता. मग तू house tax घेता की घेणार?
पंचायत garbage भी काढ नाही माझ्या घराकडची.
अरे पंचायत
रस्ते
मध्ये
पंचायत
तू
करणार.
garbage काढता ते
Because
करता.
Infrastructure tax केलं.
Speaker sir,
करता रे बाबा.
Speaker sir, बघा इतलेच रिक्वेस्ट तो सनसेट
Honorable
क्लॉज काढलेलो हा
Nilesh
पळय
Kabra
घातलेलो हा
ji,
पळय
just
तो
sit
काढचो अशें म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट करता बिकॉज एंड ब्रिंग इट नाव ओनली इन दिस असेंब्ली सनसेट
चांगले
क्लॉज काढ
माननी
then it
मंत्र्यान
be
चांगले
easier to
फायल
do.
मूव करता म्हणून.
Anthony is not in the house. Elton DeCosta is not in the house. Wenzi Viegas is there. He says motorcycle pilots have to be supported. And Cruz Silva also. I simply want to say that I am also going to have a scheme for आमचे old motorcycle pilot असले ते already department scheme करपा लायला कितें तरी तांकां help जाय त्यांचे stand आसपा जाय. We have to help them. They are our traditional antique. So we have to help them. I'm going to do that. Already I have instructed much before this, huh? Why re? कितें करपा जाता तितलें करता. Alex Sequeira wants KTC buses on Kurtori route. येता मरे तुझ्याकडे येता मरे. दुसरे Wenzi Viegas, I'll only take the important points. He said only taxis are targeted for high prices. What about hotels and airlines who charge more? I agree with you. I myself been saying it. Remember that in our new policy, one thing I want to recommend here, have dynamic pricing in season like Christmas, New Year, or when big festivals are there, they should be allowed to charge more, the taxis. The dynamic pricing. If airlines are allowed to do that, if hotels are allowed to do that, they should also be allowed. So there is a mechanism where they also will earn some money. It's not our endeavor or my endeavor to see that they earn less. ते आमचे गोंयकार थोडे व्यवसाय करपी आमचे गोंयकार थोडे बिझनसान उरला आमी कशें करून तांकां सांबाळपा जाय. Proper safety for real safety black spots मुकडे फुल बुकलेट आहा ती जाय जाल्यार एका विरेश बोरकारा वाचपा दिता टायम वयतलो इतले सेफ्टी आमी कितें एक्सिडेंट्स हॅव कम डावन बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरियस स्टेप्स वॉट वी हॅव इनिशिएटेड आनी हांव मुद्दम सांगता हुया ती बुकलेट
In terms of accidents, किती accidents are come
बाबा
from?
वाच रा 1 minute let me say
Reports are there that Goa is leading in terms of
accident and
accidents.
declining trajectory. Okay. In 2024, total accidents were 2,682. In 25, it is 2,370, reduction of 12%. Number of fatal accidents, 24 it was 271. In 25, 257, 5% reduction. हे कितें जाला? आमी ऐकाय, आमी ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स काढलेले आहात.
कंपॅरिझन
आमी
स्ट्राईक
थोडे कोडे वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस.
ना आमच्या
We are going
माझ्या
to
कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीत
have
3 ब्लॅक स्पॉट
signals.
अजून काढू
Listen.
ना माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीत 3 ब्लॅक स्पॉट असा अजून काढू ना आणि मेन म्हटल्यार ते मेरशे जंक्शन पळय मातशें
बाबा तुझ्या
ना,
स्पॉट
ना, मेरशे जंक्शन मातशें मेरशे जंक्शन
मरता
पळय.
जाल्यार म्हाकाय लागता तुझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
मेरशे जंक्शन पळय मेरशे जंक्शन माझे
काढता, सगळे
कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
काढता.
पणजे
कित्याक तू?
पणजे पाटो पळय मातसो ते पाट्यार पळय मॅच जाला सगळे
Speaker sir,
ते
just
सिग्नल ना कांयच ना
one thing with
कशें
road-
कशें चलयता तुम्ही
with road
सांगता एक्सिडेंट
accident,
कमी जाला
I put a very
It is-
fact कि road
you
accident
agree
पडे
with-
वाढता
एक-
is with timing, major timing happens between 6 to 7. On Mondays, the average is 16.5%, and on Sundays, it is 14.5%. So 30% accidents happen on these 2 days. And when we say people come drunken driving and all these things, but major time is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. That means drunken driving is not the only reason. Office hours rush is also. So that crumbling infrastructure is some dynamic thing you'll need to look into. Too
See,
many
one thing-
number of days, just giving, which you
Honorable-
try to get the department, you have
Honorable-
promised, you would bring it to 20%. You have brought to 5%, even I have seen that, it has come to 5%, but come down by 5%. But the accident म्हणटा ते बंद जावपाक जाय. You need to look into it, and it is on straight roads.
Let me finish. ना मागीर विचार हे कंप्लीट करतलोच मागीर जाय जाल्यार विचार. Black spots, 43 accident prone spots identified by traffic police. Short term measures implemented at all 43. Long term measures completed at 16 locations. Work in progress at remaining 27. So हे जातकच डिफरन्स पडटले. दुसरी कितें डिफरन्स ती सांगता. Condition surveys of all bridges and culverts completed in North Goa. Process currently underway in South Goa. Okay, it's not that we are not doing anything. AI-based traffic management. PWD has tendered AI-based traffic management system currently under finalization. Once you have camera in more than 190 places, in the first phase it will be in 30-40 places. In the next 3 months, it will make a lot of difference. Speeding रोखडे कळटले. लोक स्पीडीन शिस्तान वचपाक शिकतले तेन्ना स्पीकर सर बरीचशी डिफरन्स जातली. Pothole reporting app, a mobile application deployed for citizens to report potholes and other road safety concerns. आता challenge issued पळय आमचे एन्फोर्समेंट ना म्हणटा ते. In FY 2025 till date, 86,869 challenges issued, including via ITMS, with 3.58 crore collected in fine. 35 crores collected by manual enforcement. Enforcement tools, जे आम्ही दिला out of the funds what we collect as fines, it is all spent for the safety. Not a single pie goes somewhere else. 3 interceptor vehicles what we have given the police, 10 speed radar guns, 270 alcometers, 50 body-worn cameras and 50 megaphones under procurement. State Road Safety Council meets as per central directives. District Road Safety Committee constituted in North and South, Kenna Medna, to take stock of the safety. Every month they are meeting. So this is a new change what has come about. Project Trust, Traffic Rules Understanding and Safety Training, Driver Refresher Training launched in collaboration with police. 4 centers set up, 4,773 drivers, riders trained to date. IRAD, Integrated Road Accident Database, fully implemented in Goa, used for evidence-based interventions and data-driven identification of accident black